Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have benzoic acid, para position you have nitro group. You are using hydrogen in reducing condition. It is ran in nickel at room temperature. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you have various functional group. We are using the hydrogen. So where the reduction happened, there are the three possibilities: carbonyl, nitro, as well as benzene. The benzene reduction requires very strong reducing agent or higher temperature. Here it's a room temperature. Then we look into acid. Acid has CO minus charge. It repels the H minus ion, so it won't get reduced. So only possibility is amine, it get reduced, you have final product. The concept you have to learn here is chemoselectivity. In ranny nickel and hydrogen condition, nitro group will be favorably reduced. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.